In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Wix website for mobile. This is an essential skill that allows your site to be easily navigated and visually appealing on smartphones and tablets, which is crucial in today's mobile-centric world. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website editor. When you manage a website, it's important to have complete control over how it appears across different devices. So, start by navigating to the Wix editor. Once you're there, your first step is to locate the option to switch to the mobile view. Typically, you'd find this mobile switch located somewhere within your editor's dashboard. Switching to mobile view is crucial because it enables you to see how your website content translates from desktop to mobile. It's a feature designed to make sure your audience gets a seamless experience, regardless of the device they're using. Once you are in mobile view, everything that you see represents what your visitors will see. Now, click on any element you see on your screen. This could be a text box, a photo, or any widget you have on your page. By clicking an element, you open up a world of customization opportunities. One useful feature within this area is to hide elements. If any section or image doesn't quite fit well on the mobile version, you can choose to hide it. This keeps your mobile site clean and helps avoid overwhelming visitors with too much information on smaller screens. Let's move on to something fundamental for mobile navigation: the mobile menu icon. This is typically represented by the widely recognized hamburger icon that most mobile websites use. After clicking on it, you can easily resize or reposition the menu icon. This is particularly important in terms of accessibility and ensuring that users can navigate your site without hassle. Now, you'll want to explore the Add to Mobile option. This feature provides a range of possibilities, allowing you to include additional elements that are specific to the mobile version. For example, you might want to include a call button or a map that links to GPS apps, making it easier for potential customers to contact or visit you. Don't forget about the background settings. Selecting the background in mobile mode allows you to adjust how your site's backdrop appears on mobile devices. This ensures continuity and professionalism across your site's overall aesthetic. Editing your Wix site for mobile isn't just about transferring your desktop design over to a smaller screen. It's all about optimizing and enhancing the mobile user experience. With these steps, you gain the flexibility to adjust, refine, and personalize, ensuring your website remains intuitive and visually captivating no matter how it's being viewed. That wraps up today's lesson. Now go ahead and make those adjustments and watch your site flourish on mobile devices.